Hello friends, in this video, I will talk about replace function in R. Replace function replaces the elements in any vector. So, how the replace function works, we will see here with the help of an example. So, for the purpose, I am creating a vector V using C function and keeping certain values inside this vector. So I have kept here total 5 values. I have pressed Ctrl Enter to execute it in our environment. It is successfully executed. So now if I want to replace the second value or the value at the second position, that is 56. So for that I can use replace function, and the syntax of replace function is at the first parameter we need to give the name of the vector in which we want to replace the value. Then we need to give the index of the value which we want to replace, and then we need to give the value which we want to keep at that position. So here my vector is V. I want to replace second value and I want to store 57 in place of 56. Now I am pressing Ctrl Enter. So you can see I am getting an error because the name of function I have typed here wrongly. It is replace. So now I had made mistakes. So I have corrected the name of the function. Now I am pressing Ctrl Enter. It is successfully executed, and you can see in place of 56, now it is 57 is stored. Apart from single replacement, replacement function has the ability to replace multiple values in one go. So for that, again, I am creating one more vector using C function, and I am storing certain value. Now I am pressing Ctrl Enter to execute it in our environment. It is successfully executed. You can see in the console. Now I am using replace function. So here I want to replace elements from the vector B. So I am keeping here B at the first parameter. Now say for example, I want to replace two values which are stored at second and fifth position. So using C function, I can do so. And now using C function, whatever value I want to store at these positions, that I can do. So I want to store suppose 12 and 17. Now I am pressing Ctrl Enter. So you can see the replacement is done. In place of 16, now 12 is stored, and in place of 41, now 17 is stored. So that way replace function can not only replace single elements, but it can also replaces multiple elements in any vector. And it is not like that replace function can only replaces the numeric value. It can also replaces the other type of values in any vector. So for understanding that, I am creating here a character vector. So I have stored 5 character elements in vector D. I am pressing Ctrl Enter to execute it in our environment. It is successfully executed. Now using replace function, I want to make change in the elements of vector D, and I want to change suppose third element of vector D, and I want to store suppose be at the third position element. Now I am pressing Ctrl Enter. So once I'll press Ctrl Enter, you can find the replacement of the element D is done by B. So that way replace function can work in any kind of or any type of vector, and the work of replace function is very clear now. So I hope friends this video will help you out to understand how the replace function works. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected for more such videos in R. Thank you.